Hello everyone, welcome back to Nisha's Maths Master Class, and today I am going to explain MPSP. MPSP means, children, you people know that Maharashtra Pradashok Pariksha. Okay, and from this book, this is 7th standard book, question number 1, knowledge of numbers. Got it everyone, children? So in this lesson we have to learn about all the numbers. From nursery onwards we learn about the numbers, correct? Counting numbers. What is meant by counting number? Natural numbers. Okay, whatever the counting we have to do sequence wise, okay, or serial wise, we said that, so that all the numbers we have to set that natural numbers. Okay, means from 1 2 3 4 5 10 100, correct, 1000 and infinite. Okay, so that set is called natural numbers. Afterward, whole numbers. Okay, now what is meant by whole number? From 0 onwards, okay, all the natural numbers, the set of all the natural numbers along with 0. Okay, so suppose I want to write the whole number set, so I am writing from 0 and all the natural numbers. Got it? So that set is called whole numbers. You people already aware about that. Okay, so infinite numbers are there. Apart from that, you people know that even number and odd number. Okay, in 3rd standard, 2nd standard, we learn about even number and odd number. Now in even number, okay, for example 2 4 6 8 0, such a type of numbers, okay, we have to observe or notice on the unit place, so that numbers are called even numbers. Okay, for example, now I am giving the example for even number 12. Okay, so unit place carry 2, so this is 12 is even number. Okay, afterward odd number. Okay, so odd number 1 3 5 7 9, such a type of a number we have to found in the unit place of any number, so that numbers are called odd numbers. Okay, the example is 11. Okay, or for example 41, so unit place carry 1. Okay, even number. Now consecutive even number and consecutive odd number, this is the most important topic which we have to learn in this lesson. Now what is meant by consecutive even number and consecutive odd number? Okay, so the numbers which we have to read. For example, now I am taking the number from 21. Okay, so 22 is our next even number, then 24 is our next, then 26, then 28. Okay, such a type of chain is called consecutive even number. Same like consecutive odd number. For example, 21 onwards, suppose I am going to take, so 21, then 23, then 25, then 27, like this. Understand? This is normal basic information about the number world. Okay, and that information we have to use in this lesson. Got my point, children? Now moving to the next one. So that 3 points are most important when we solve these questions. Okay, so the first one, that is when sum of two even number is always even. Okay, sum of two even number. Two even number, for example 12. This is one even number, and second suppose 14. So the answer is 26. Got it? Means sum of two even number is always even number. Moving to the next one, sum of two odd number is always even number. Sum of two odd number means, now here for example 11, that is one odd number I am going to take, and next 5, that is also odd number. So both odd numbers, when we have to add it, then we get the answer, that is means even number. Got my point, children? So these are most important rule when we solve MPSK exam, scholarship exam. Okay, afterwards sum of an even number and odd number is always odd number. Okay, now even number, suppose I am going to take 12, that is one even number, and suppose odd number 11. Okay, so whatever the answer we get, that is always odd. Okay, so the answer is 23. Understood, children? Very simple and easy content. If you like the content, like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.